Hey YouTube, it's Tate here, and I am showing you my dog Dixie. She's looking out the window. She likes to scout out everything. She's an Australian cattle dog. She's 6 years old. And she's very playful, and sometimes she's lazy. She's not the biggest dog. She's pretty average sized. I just wanted to show you guys her. It's very pretty. Yeah, she's a good girl. She's also really, really soft, which I love. It's like a blanket.